up what is playing out in the overall broader XRP and then crypto market. Also going to give you the XRP news and an XRP price prediction. So got a lot here for you. And I'm also going to share with you something completely brand new. You've never seen me talk about this before, and it's pretty freaking cool. Okay, so you got to stick to the end for that. Got a lot to share with you. Here we go. All right, so like I said, we've got XRP up 3.6%. Yeah, I know it's not up 10%, so forth, but hey, it is a positive day. The overall market up 2.5+%. I mean, if you kind of look at what's going on, if you zoom out and not just look at XRP, which I tell you to do all the time, you'll get a better perception, kind of understanding this is more of a macro event playing out that we have impacting all of crypto. But this is a huge day for XRP as well, because the SEC has approved the first ever US multi-asset crypto ETP. Say that really fast, like say it 4 times. I promise you can't get it out. I've already screwed up this a couple of times, and as far as like getting ready for the video, and it's just US multi-asset crypto ETP. There, I got it right there from Grayscale. Now, what is this? So this is a digital large cap fund, the first US multi-asset crypto ETP that offers exposure to Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, and Cardano. This is a big, big deal. Okay. And what is an ETP? You might be asking. It is an exchange traded product. And this is the first of its kind, a multi-asset exchange traded product, crypto. Okay, what's the significance of this? Well, let's talk about this. Let's break it down. Here's the thing. You need to kind of take a step back. The odds are you own your XRP and you own that asset directly. You have bought XRP and you're holding that yourself. And or you've bought your Bitcoin, your Cardano, whatever crypto asset that is, right? Which is how I do it, and you either hold it on an exchange or you hold it on a decentralized wallet, or you've holding, those assets in cold storage. Okay. There is a large group of retail investors that want to own crypto, but may not necessarily want to own the crypto asset directly. They don't want to go buy XRP. They don't understand how to go buy it. They don't, for whatever reason, that's them. Okay. That's group number one. There's group number two that's even more interesting. That is institutional buyers, large institutional funds like pension funds. As an example, there are pension funds that have bought into the Bitcoin ETF. They may not be able to, because of their bylaws and things of this nature, they may not be able to actually go buy Bitcoin directly, this pension fund as an example, but they wanted some Bitcoin exposure for their fund. So what can they do? They can go buy an ETF. Okay, so let's bring that back to this for XRP and this new multi-asset crypto ETP, exchange traded product. There are institutional funds out there that want crypto exposure, but they cannot go buy XRP, Cardano, whatever, Solana. So what are they going to buy? They're going to buy into an ETP because they're allowed to legally for their whatever their bylaws are for their fund. Okay. This is going to open up institutional demand for these assets. Now, again, how does an ETP work? I'm assuming it works very similar to an ETF. These funds have to reconcile at the end of the day when they buy or sell. So if they have $100 million worth of money that flows into this ETP in a given day, at the end of the day, they have to buy $100 million worth of those crypto assets, just like an ETF does. Okay, so that's really what's cool about this, is that this is, again, guys, it's a big deal. And the fact that XRP is included in this, again, is another rubber stamp of approval for XRP, that the past is behind us, the lawsuit, all that crap. Okay. This is a big deal. This is a good thing. And this is the reason you're seeing crypto up today dramatically, 2.5%. Yeah, I know you're not buying an island in the Bahamas yet. I get it. Okay. But you're seeing XRP up because of this SEC approval for this asset, right? So that's why you're seeing this. I don't know why my window just resized. Chrome has been playing games with me where it's resizing my windows. Stop it. Okay. And all that kind of stuff. Good stuff, right? Okay. So with that, that's what's going on in the XRP news. Let's talk about an XRP price prediction because I promised you one. Look, I think again with this new ETP coming out, I think again with bullish, kind of with the Federal Reserve doing their thing, giving us an interest rate cut yesterday. We're going to have 2 more interest rate cuts by the end of the year in October, and then another one later in the fourth quarter of 2025. This is opening the door for again bulls to come back in. Fourth quarter is going to be good. I still think, and I'm still holding to my XRP price prediction of by the end of the year, $10. I think we could be minimum. We could see. So it's really in essence a little over a 3x from here, like a 3.2. Don't do math in public. 3.3 to be exact, somewhere in that area. 3.3x. But I think our upside is 15, and our big XRP price prediction, we could see XRP hit $20 per XRP token. Again, we've got to have a massive amount of liquidity. We got to have trillions flow in. I think we're going to get that. I think this SEC approving this multi-asset ETP is one of the pieces of the puzzle. We're going to have more of these start to come out because this is going to be, I guarantee you, this is going to be a well-received asset, investment asset in the market, right? People are going to buy into this. I'll remind you, Grayscale was one of the first to come out with their Bitcoin ETP, and then they moved it over to an ETF and all that kind of stuff. This is good stuff. All right, so with that, let's talk real quickly before I let you go. I promised I'd show you something brand new. Here's what it is. I have this new thing called Inner Circle. Okay, this is brand new. Just launched this a couple of days ago. What is Inner Circle? Well, here's what it is. It is a new membership scenario for me, from me to you. Here's what you get. You're going to get all of the following for about 90 cents a day. By the way, I'll cut to the chase, 90 cents a day. And by the way, the price is going to go up. I'm literally going to double the price in the very near future. This is the lowest price you're ever going to see this. Okay. You're going to get full portfolio access. You're going to see exactly what I own. Every single crypto I own, you're going to get to see it. What sectors I'm in, everything. Okay. You're going to get buy and sell alerts. Now, these are buy and sell alerts when I buy or I sell any crypto. So if I sell anything out of my portfolio, you're going to know I just sold this or I just bought this. Additionally, you're going to get to know when I'm buying a brand new crypto. I'm going to tell you, I just bought this brand new one. You can go check it out and get into it if you are so inclined. Okay. That's not even the best part. The best part, one of the best parts is AI crypto picks. We have an AI crypto picking engine that we use. It's proprietary to us. That allows us to generate 1 to 2 AI crypto picks per week. You're going to get these crypto picks per week. Somebody's pulling up at my house per week. Okay. Prime value crypto picks. These are different. And in addition to the AI prime value, what are those? These might be undervalued cryptos that are exhibiting behavior that they're about to take off. You're going to get 1 to 2 of those per week. You're also going to be part of an investing community. Okay. So it's where you can get access to me, to my team, all this kind of stuff. It's an investing community. It's really, really cool. 100% satisfaction guarantee, 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. So you should at least try this because you have zero risk in this. And again, you're getting access for about 90 cents a day right now. The quarterly option is the cheapest on a per day basis, less than 90 cents a day. Come on, you spend 90 cents on crap. I bought a pack of gum the other day. Yesterday it was $1.47 for a pack of gum. This is less than what a pack of gum cost you. You can afford 90 cents to at least try this to see, because remember, you're protected by that 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. So you still got questions. Can you cancel at any time? Absolutely. Anytime you can cancel. And in that first 30 days, you get a complete refund. Is there a money back guarantee? Absolutely. I just told you about it. Is this just for beginners or can anybody join? It is for beginners. We help you out along the way. This is for intermediate and advanced as well. Because remember, you're seeing what I own. You're seeing what I buy. You're getting the AI crypto picks. You're part of an investing community. You're no longer alone in your crypto investing journey. You're part of a community now. All this kind of stuff. So links are in the description below. If you're watching this on X, links below this video. Go try this. You got no questions. There's really no reason or no questions in your mind should be why you shouldn't try this. You got that 30-day, no questions asked, money back guarantee. And come on, it's 90 cents a day. Give it a look. Links are down there. Inner Circle. Go check it. See you. Bye.